My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so back. Got a little mail call right here. I just got home from work. Today's been well, it's not really a busy day, but today is an eventful day because today is May 21st. And what May 21st is today is classic my son, my last born, my third born, his birthday. So happy birthday, classic. He turns 14 today. He's out with his mother right now getting Dave's hot chicken. He loves Dave's hot chicken. So usually, because if he wasn't out or today wasn't his birthday, he would be holding the camera. I got the camera on my selfie stick or whatever, like that, with the ring light. So I'm doing it myself. So sorry if it's kind of close. I'm trying to sit back a little bit because I feel like I'm super close to the camera. But yeah, he out with Jordan with his mom. When she drop him off, I'm gonna take him to go see the Minecraft movie and ice cream or something like that, or whatever you want to do. It's his day. So y'all do me a favor and say happy birthday, classic, down in the comments below. I would definitely appreciate that. I know he would too. So all right, enough talking. This shoe, so I already knew this was coming. I know what this is, and I'm actually happy that it came so early. It was scheduled to be delivered May 27th, which is this upcoming Tuesday. I'm actually leaving the country this Tuesday. I'm going to Japan for a Pokemon Go Fest event. So I will be gone all of June. So I was really hoping, and I said in my other video, I think it was my white cement video, I can't remember, but I said I was like, I hope that it gets delivered early so I'm able to give you a review, because if it didn't, I wasn't going to do a review a month later, because I'm gone all of June. I'm gone from May 27th all the way to like June 20th. So not officially the whole month of June, but you know. All right, I'm talking about this, but it's over. It's a little blue that we had be kind of like strong. There we go. All right. Now I know y'all gonna put it in the comments below, is an easier way to open up the box, and I'm sure you're right, but I got it open. So yep, this is it. I already know it was. Ooh, what is that? Check it after that. I just got like email. I think I probably got an overdraft or something like that. I just got, whenever I see my Chase notification pop up, I know that means I got an overdraft. I got my settings set that it says like if it dropped below $50, that means it gives me a little notification. And I already know it's below $50 because I paid my phone bill this morning. All right. Ooh, yes sir. First off, top, I like this box. I love the box. There's little like clouds and everything like that. Look at that. I love this box. This box is dope. Red Jumpman in the center. Look at those clouds though. Just the detail. I love when they give us details. All right. So let me read the label. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP. Color is white, black, Sport Royal. Suggested retail price, I cannot remember. I think it was, I want to say off the top of my head, I want to say $220. But y'all know me, I'm always gonna give y'all some information after I show y'all everything. But actually, I want to get this right now while I wait. But anyway, size 9, because I go up half a size when it comes to Air Jordan 3s because they run kind of snug. But size 9, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, cool. Open this. Ooh, man, hold on 1 second. I just want to get this ready. What was it called? Yeah, I got it. There it is right there. Which website? What do I do? Which website to get my information off of? I just want to get it ready so I can get straight to it. Okay, we just do sneaker news. All right, so that's already ready. All right, Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging on this. Look at the packaging. I like this. I like that little ribbon right here. I like that. KO got some other words and language I can't speak. Colorful wrappings. That yellow, red, blue, baby blue. Is that like brown? Brownish, orange, or something like that? I almost don't want to unwrap it. Oh, it wasn't even wrapped up like that. it wasn't even fully wrapped up, but alright. But I hate when they do this. I hate when the shoes is wrapped up like this. Like both shoes. Like a mummy. Alright. Okay. Put that right there. I ain't gonna show it to y'all yet. Do I need to take both of them out? I don't need to take both of them out. Let's take one. You know I do, because I gotta post my pictures on Instagram. So much wrapping. Jesus. I am not gonna be rewrapping these up into that. Alright, so put that ribbon back in there. Without further ado, you're not gonna really get a good view of the box because, like I said, it's so cool. Let's see, we can do that. Oh yeah, we can do it like that. Alright, without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3 Soul. Boom. Alright, so we got the Air Jordan 3 Soul. I hope that I pronounced that right. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's pronounced. But yeah, one these on the sneaker app, which I was super surprised about. But I heard a lot of people want this on the sneakers app. So like, I'm not, and the smaller size, I'm a size 9. I heard the bigger sizes would really sold out. But I do have 2 accounts. Whatever, I don't care. Everybody got 2 accounts or multiple. I don't use bots. I hit on the first one, and I hit on my secondary account, and my account. Remember I said my Chase account? My Chase account was overdrawn by 70 cents. Something got charged. I don't know what it was. Anyway, I hit on my secondary account, which I never hit nothing on, but I struck out on my main account. So, but I mean, it is what it is. Where it is right there. They don't even got the image up there. Oh, what's this? Kobe 6 Pro Troll Reverse. What is that? I'm sorry. I got outside the image. Oh, that was old. That was 540 days ago. But anyway, I was hoping that you can get they show the got 'em thing again. But yeah, it's right there. It's basically right there. So I hit on that, and yeah, I was super happy about it because I actually wanted to shoot because I like the way it looks and everything like that. I never had the first version. These are the 2.0s. I never had the first ones, but all right. Let me give you some information. This is off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It's going to be up in 2, 1. Boom. Should be up right now so you can read along with me. Get that ad out the way. The Air Jordan 3 Soul 2.0 is a special edition release expected to launch on May 17th. 2025. A sneaker pass release limited to LA opened up on May 16th. I tried that. I struck out on that at 11 a.m. Pacific before closing 15 minutes later. Considered to be a sequel to the super limited Air Jordan 3 Soul that dropped back in 2018, this new edition features some significant updates and designs touches that continue to shine a light on Korea's culture and history. The first Air Jordan 3 Soul dropped in 2018 as part of the Jordan brand's 30th anniversary celebration, the Air Jordan 3, created by Don Sewoo, who now serves as GM of Nike's Kobe brand. Didn't even know that. The design coincided with the 30th anniversary of the Olympic Games that were held in Seoul in 1988. Up until this release, a country flag had never been displayed so outwardly on Air Jordan Retro. This detail alone made it highly coveted among South Koreans and Jordan collectors alike. pairs had never dipped below $1,000 on the secondary market. All right, so the first one was still super expensive. The same designs was re-released in 2020 in limited quantities for women only. News of the Air Jordan 3 Soul 2.0 first surfaced back in March, not long after the shoe leaked. J-Hope of BTS fame with the first reveal of the shoes, wearing them courtside at a LA Lakers game. Like the first pair, the Soul 2.0 Jordans featured the South Korea flag. There you go, right there. On the left tongue, the Nike Air on the heel. New details consist of the traditional fabric on the ankle liner, the pre-aged yellowing on the midsole and upper edges, and Korean words embroidered behind the tongue. A new feature is the text on the inner tongue. I can't pronounce that. Jeom and Jeong means dream in Korea. It represents inspiration, hopes, and the pursuit of something greater, more than just what you see when you sleep. Jeom or Jeom symbolizes the visions and the goal that drives you forward. Jeong is a unique Korean concept. It describes a deep emotional connection, a sense of affection and attachment, and the bond between people, places, or even objects. All right, that's a lot. Okay, this is definitely giving me a lot of information. Retail was set for $200, which is a surprisingly low number considering the sheer amount of modifications and the fact that the Nike Air on the heel is typically reserved for the higher tier product. All right, so that's pretty much it. Any extra views? Oh, I guess it's not. Usually they show like extra shoes or whatever. I mean extra pictures of it. But all right, a lot of information, so I'm happy about that. I actually like to give you all information. But yo, we got the Nike Air hang tag, the old OG in orange right there. Like they said, they got that yellow and that age look that they've been doing for everything that I said in my last video I am actually kind of tired of. But they got that on the midsole, air bubble unit right there in blue. I could be wrong about this. Don't quote me on this, but I think the other shoe air bubble unit is red. Like one is blue, the other one is red. I could be wrong. Oh, you know what? I did take it out. I was about to say I don't want to look at it, but it is. It is too. See? Got the blue, we got the red, so I wasn't wrong about that. On the right shoe, you got the Jumpman on the tongue. On the left shoe, you got the Korean flag. Inside, got some Korean letters that stands for the words that I will not try to pronounce again. See that? Sorry about my ashy hands. I just washed my hands. But got that Nike Air on the back of both white laces, or like tan laces almost. Got the blue right there, the eyelids. Blue, red sock line on the inside. This comes out. That's just a white little placement that can go back in there. I guess it's just to keep it like stiff a little bit, so it's still fresh. I'm not too sure. I remember when they started adding that, I was just confused. Elephant print on the back with the crackles of it like that. I like that. I don't really know what the material is, like nubuck, I guess. So I don't think it's suede, so I definitely like that. That leather looking good. I'm not gonna lie, the leather looking good, as you can see. This might be the thumbnail. I think I might do the thumbnail like this. Hold on. I was trying to figure out, since I'm so close to the camera. Can you see that in the background? Yep, I think this might be the thumbnail. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Alright, but yeah, got some more of that print going up the top of the toe cap right there. I mean, I like the shoe. This, so not red, but not pink. So it's kind of like in the middle of it like that. So I like it. I think this is a good shoe. I don't really like black. I mean, I said black. I don't really like Jordan 3s like that, but I am a fan of this shoe. I'm glad I won it. It wasn't that much. It was $200. Like, I think the white cements that dropped this week that I already did a review on, I think they like $225 or something like that. So $200 is not bad. I like this. And I think this is a sort of shoe. Let's see what they're going for on StockX at this moment. Let's see if they move in anywhere. Let's see, StockX. Okay, boom. Let's see. Okay, Air Jordan. Come on, Air Jordan 3. So I don't know. Yeah, so it's SOUL, I guess. I know I spelled that wrong. I know I spelled it wrong. Anyway, they're going for right now. Not that bad. My size is 245. So I mean, I think that's what I basically paid retail. Like I think with the shipping, I think mine was like 230 or something like that. I can't really remember the exact price, but that's not bad. Even big sizes, 238. So they're not going for nothing, which is good. I like everybody being able to get their shoe. So let's see what the original ones are going for. That's the original ones. That's the 1.0s or whatever if you want to call it. So these are just more. So this is more of a cream color on it. The original ones just is more white. So it's more of a cream. That's white. So I mean, whatever. Let's see what my size is going for. Whoa. Yeah. So my size. So I like to go up a half size. I would not go up a half size on these because the difference is crazy. So for 8.5 is $999. So just say $1,000. For the 9, just a half size up, is $2,300. So no, I don't know if you can see that, but no, we won't be doing that. We won't be doing that. And then they said they came out with some women pair. The women pair is yeah, they still kind of expensive. Like 6.5 is $950. The 7 is $600. And then any size, like say for instance, if I needed a woman pair, if I wanted to try to save money, I would need like a 10.5. That's a 9. It's big, so it's not you can't even buy it. It just got bitten or like that. But yeah, I mean that's how the game goes. That's how the game goes. But y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Are you paying for resale, which is not that. It's pretty much $30 over. Not even $30. Probably like $15, $10 over retail. Matter of fact, what was my exact price that I spent? Just so I can know. They came to $219.50. So we're just gonna round it up another 50 cents. Say $220. So they going for $25 over retail. That's not bad. If you really want the shoe, pay the extra $25. I mean, I think that, I don't know if that includes shipping also. I'm just trying to give y'all as much information as possible if y'all want to get this shoe. So, but you don't always, but the good thing is you don't have to deal with StockX or GOAT. You can just OfferUp or Facebook Market. There's a lot of places. It's groups, sneaker groups. So you don't have to go to like StockX or whatever like that. And I'm pretty sure you can find them cheaper like these other places like I said, OfferUp and stuff like that. So anyway, let me know if you hit it in the hit on the raffles. I mean not on raffle, on the sneakers. Did you hit on sneakers? The first one that was only exclusive to LA, or the second one worldwide? So let me know. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. I know you can't see it up there, but and the whole Tune squad, you know what to do. Hold on. Fix this. I think it's this way. Is it that way? I don't know. You know what to do. Have a nice day.